Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest how-to guides to make your digital life a breeze. Today, we're diving into how to delete a Wisely card in 2025. If you're looking to manage your finances more efficiently or simply want to remove an old card from your account, you're in the right place. This process is quick and straightforward, but always double-check before you proceed to avoid any mishaps. First off, what is a Wisely card? It's a prepaid debit card often used for payroll or everyday spending, managed through the Wisely app or website. To get started, ensure you have the Wisely app downloaded on your smartphone or access to their official website at wisely.com. You'll need your login credentials handy, so if you've forgotten them, use the recovery options first. Step 1. Open the Wisely app and log in with your username and password. If you're on the website, head to the login page and enter your details securely. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts or Cards section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Look for an icon that resembles a card or wallet. Step 3. Locate the specific Wisely card you want to delete from your list of cards. Tap or click on it to open the details. Step 4. Look for the Options menu, often represented by 3 dots or a settings gear. Select Manage Card or something similar, then choose Delete Card or Remove Card. Step 5. The system will prompt you for confirmation. Read any warnings carefully. This action is typically irreversible and might affect linked payments. Enter any required verification, like a PIN or security code, and confirm the deletion. And just like that, your Wisely card is deleted. Remember, deleting it from your account doesn't physically destroy the card, so for added security, consider cutting it up or shredding it. If you encounter any errors or need help, reach out to Wisely's customer support through the app or their help center. There you have it. Simple steps to keep your financial tools in check. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.